Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add border to shape in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to add border to shape in Canva. When you are in Canva in your project, after that click elements, and then here you see shapes. And if you don't see it, just you can type in the search bar shapes. Anyway, you see here shapes. After that, click see all. Now just select the shapes. Okay, for example this one. And there you can increase the size. Okay, after that, here you can stroke style, and here stroke weight, you can increase it. And here stroke colors. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add border to shape in Canva. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.